In HTML2, today we are going to learn about the row span and the column span of the TD tag. So today's topic will be how to use the row span with the TD and col span with the TD. Before that, before using the code or before starting the code, we should learn what is called the row span and the column span. So what we are going to do, suppose this is the table, normal table. How many rows are there? 2 rows are there and 1, 2, 3 column is there. 3 columns and 2 rows is there. Fine. Now here, suppose this one, the table 1. I want to change the table 1 like the table 2. In the table 1 what happens? 1, 2, 3 columns are there, 2 rows are there. Here the second column will take the space of 2 rows. So what happens? The second column will going to take the space of, see this one, 1, 2. This is the second column. What it will do? It will take the space of the 2 rows. This is called the row span. Means one column will take how many rows? Space of how many rows? Here one column will take the 1 row only. Here one column will going to take the space of the 2 rows. Fine. Now how to implement that one? How to use this one? We'll able to see this one through the code. Now this is the table. This is the code. In the code what happens? We know that one. How to create the table. TR, TD. Now remember one thing. The row span or the col span both are the attribute of the TD tag. Now how we are going to use this one? First one TD close 1. Then the second column is come over there. So what I have done? TD row span is equal to 2. Means this column will take the space row wise. It will take the space of 2 rows. Fine. It is take the space of 2 rows. What happens? The third number column will come into that same row. Row has been started. So TD3. After that TR has been closed. Now once again TR has been opened. Now the second column of the first row has been taken the space of the 2 rows. So what will happen? In the next row there will be only 2 columns. So TD 4 or 5 whatever you are going to write, and TD6. Fine. The number is not the matter. Here it has written 4, here it has been written 5. No problem will going to be happen over there. So we have done this one. Now we are going to see the column span. What is a column span? Like the row span, we have to understand what is the column span first. Table 1. Here we are able to see this one, 2 rows and 3 columns are there. Now in the table 2 what happens? I have changed. Okay. First column in the first row. After that the second column will take the space of 2 columns. See this one in just under the item 2. If you see there is 2 columns. So what will happen? It will take the space of 2 columns. And in the next row it will be as usual. How we are going to implement that one? We are going to see this one right. For this one, the table is just at the top. We have display the table and the code in the downstairs. Now what is going to happen? Here we are going to use the col span attribute of the TD tag. Row span and the col span both are the attribute of the TD tag. So what will happen? First row, item 1, first column, second column will take the space of 2 columns. So what I have written? TD col span is equal to 2, item 2. Thing has been done. You can say only 2 items are there because only 2 columns are there. In the next row what happens? There will be 3 columns because there will be no change in the column over there. So it will be item 3, item 4 and the item 5. In this way, with the using of the row span and the column span, we can manipulate the table and we can design the different kind of table over there, different designs. Thank you.